a temperature of 82. Lake wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Thursday for Pyramid Lake. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. What? For the lake wind advisory for Pyramid Lake, north to northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour and waves 1 to 3 feet. For the freeze warning, sub-freezing temperatures with lows 20 to 27 degrees in valleys early Friday morning. Where? Western Nevada Basin and Range including Pyramid Lake. When? For the lake wind advisory from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Thursday. For the freeze warning from late Thursday night through Friday morning. Impacts. Small boats, kayaks, and paddle boards will be prone to capsizing and should remain off lake waters until conditions improve. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Check lake conditions before heading out and be prepared for a sudden increase in winds and wave heights. Consider postponing boating activities on the lake until a day with less wind. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures with lows 20 to 28 degrees. Where? In California, Lassen Eastern Plumas Eastern Sierra Counties and Surprise Valley, California. In Nevada, northern Washoe County, greater Reno Carson, the City Mendon area, and Mineral and southern Lyon counties. When? From late Thursday night through Friday morning. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Additional details. Urban centers across western Nevada are expected to get down to 28 to 32 degrees. Colder valleys across Lassen County could dip into the teens for 3 to 4 hours early Friday morning. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. This is the weather synopsis for the Sierra and Western